Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Highlander cabin air filter. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new cabin air filter specifically for your Highlander model. Most models do not require any special tools, making this a simple DIY task. Replacing this filter regularly, about every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, ensures you breathe cleaner air and helps your heating and air conditioning system work efficiently. Let's get started. Now let's access the filter. Begin by opening your glove box and removing everything inside. On the right outer side, you'll find a black plastic damper arm. Gently pop this off its mounting peg. Next, firmly push in the two side walls of the glove box towards each other. This releases the plastic side stops, allowing you to lower the glove box down to the floor mat, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the outer light gray hinged access panel. Pull the bottom of this panel towards you to release its two retaining clips, then swing it open. Next, push in the retaining clips on the left and right sides of the black plastic filter access cover to release it, and set it aside. Now, simply slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Take a moment to clean any leaves or debris from the filter slot using a vacuum. Now for the new filter. Check for an airflow arrow. It should point down towards the floor mat when you slide the new filter straight into the slot. Reinstall the black plastic filter cover, pushing until the two retaining clips click securely. Close the outer access cover. To reassemble the glove box, align its bottom hinges, raise it, and push the side walls together to re-engage the stops. Finally, pop the damper arm back onto its peg. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.